Stop scrolling. If you haven't filed your KRA returns, the deadline is fast approaching on June 30th. Avoid that automatic 2,000 shilling fine. Here is exactly how to do it in under a minute. Step 1. Go to itax.kra.go.ke. Enter your KRA PIN, click Continue, type in your password, and solve that simple math security question at the bottom to log in. Step 2. Head over to the top menu, hover on Returns, and click File Nil Return. Select your tax obligation, which is usually resident individual, and click Next. Step 3. If you had no source of income last year, just select File Nil Return over here and hit Submit. You are completely done. But if you are employed, click on the Fill Return to download the Excel tax form. Fill in your details using the P9 form provided by your employer, click Validate, and upload the generated zipped file. Step 4. Check the agreement box, click Submit, and make sure you download your e-return acknowledgement receipt as proof. And that is it. Don't wait until the final day when the iTax system jams up. Share this with a friend who always forgets, and hit that follow button for more quick Kenyan tech tips.